going to be some view. It's going to be beautiful. Here we go. Make you feel alive or what? Incredible. Not that cold either. I have a t-shirt under this and the winds are fairly strong, but exactly, it's fantastic. REV'IT Eclipse jacket, €135 on XL Motor. Go get yourself one. Stylish, cool. They do the absolute business. Summer 2021, baby. See the bridge in the distance? That's the baby for today. Get ready fucking over this bridge because it's absolutely stunning, and I'm saying it loud because it is stunning, and it's right here in the area. Oh, the road for this alone. Some view. It's gonna be beautiful. Here we go. Look at that. Ho, 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 ho. My God, I love this bridge. And part of my name is in it as well. The Rose Fitzgerald Kennedy Bridge. Have a guess what name I have. Here we go, baby. It is just awesome. Wait till you get closer. Closer, closer. my God. Enjoy it. I'm slowing down a bit because I want you to enjoy it. Look at it. Oh, like being on top of the world. Crossings are very strong. Look at this. Look at its splendor. Even if you look in the mirror. Oh my God. Mwah! Mwah! Magnifico! That's epic. Epic, epic, epic. Hey, welcome to Kilkenny.